referee, Bobby Celso. Second referee, Erlindo Eusebio. And now let's meet the starters. First, for the Maverick Hard Hitters. Opposite hitter number 11, team captain Razel Palisok. Outside spiker number 1, J.M. Cortez. Middle blocker number 4, Popo Rapino. Center number 12, Wilbert Zebrero. Outside spiker number 13, Kim Ten. And middle blocker number 16, Jetro Cabillan. Starting libero is number 19, S1 Sundiang. Head coach for Maverick is Erickson Ramos. And now the starters for the VNS Nasty Griffins. Middle blocker number 7, team captain Mike Doria. Center number 1, Adrian Imperial. Opposite hitter number 2, Ronnie Adviento. Middle blocker number 10, Chester Pornell. Outside spiker number 16, Kenneth Gulabat. Outside spiker number 22, Wewe Medina. Starting libero number 12, Kit Diferia. Head coach for VNS is Ralph Ocampo.
All right, on your screens, you got the Maverick Hard Hitters starting lineup. You got, of course, their leading scorer, Razel Palisok, Bilyan, Tad Cortez, Rabino, Sebrero, and their starting libero, Sundiang. This time they're wearing their white shirts. On the other side of the court, you got Roger Adviento, Bornel, Medina, Culabat, Doria, Imperial, and their starting libero, Doria.
Deferia.
Yeah.
Of course,
Doria pala is their team captain. Yes, yes.
The biggest name, of course, in this match is Wewe Medina.
Yeah.
And he has delivered excellent numbers, except for that last match wherein his numbers or his offense was just down to 6 points. And eventually, that led to a conference low production for the Nasty Griffins with only 51 points scored in 73 minutes versus the Navy Sea Lions.
So interesting also, it's their middle blocker making the most points in their match.
And a more interesting fact is that he only played 2 of the 3 sets, yet he scored the most in that match.
Definitely PGJC Navy taking advantage and taking every opportunity to win straight sets in that previous match.
Here is Adviento launching the first attack point in the open. Good misdirection coming from Jester Bornell to free up Ronjay Adviento, who scored 4 points in their last loss.
Medina to serve. Good serve there. Palisok out of system to Tan. Culabat will get the set. Good rebound. Another opportunity here.
Missed by Bornell. Medina leads this team in so many categories and really a very good addition to the roster. That was the last opportunity for Bornell. First attack error here coming from the black shirts.
Easy serve from Tan there. Bornell bumawi.
Bumawi. Mataas ang kumpiyansa. 1 out of 2 for Bornell, who had 3 of the team's 10 blocks. Also had 1 service ace. As we mentioned earlier, over 30 points scored to be the second leading scorer for a team which has only won once in 4 games so far.
Ooh. And the toughest server, if I remember correctly. Ooh. I covered their match, the last match against the Navy. I remember Bornell would always have that consistent tough serve for their team, but this time outside in that last sequence, puntos para sa hard hitters. Good dig. Kulabat. Wow.
Oh, nice.
Good defense on the side of the hard hitters.
If there's one thing that the hard hitters have to do well today, their blocking has to be better, their floor defense has to be on point, and it showed in that last rally, the longest rally so far, in the first 5 points. Meanwhile, top serving team, VNS, top digging team, VNS, also has to be at their best for them to get their winning ways. But they commit another attack error. That's the second out of the 4-point output na naibigay nila dito sa hard hitters.
Adviento way under that ball.
Ang tatangkad itong players ng Maverick, ano? Lalaki.
Cabillan with that serve. Medina.
Another
Doria.
miss. Another miss, 2 from Adviento, 1 from Doria. That's 3 of the 5 points given up by VNS Nasty Griffins.
Cabillan still serving. Medina picking up the first ball. Go back to Kulabat this time. Gets the point.
Severo was right there to cover that line shot once again coming from the former UE Red Warrior. Misdirection by Doria. Isolated as Kulabat, who scores. Stops a scoring run here for the hard hitters.
Adviento. Kim Tan was there. Palisok will get that, but touches the net on his way down.
Team captain, most seasoned, coming off a conference best 19-point output. 16 points in the first few games, 19 in the last. So from 16 points in the first 3 games, that's about 5.3 points in the first 3 matches. Then tripling his scoring average, or quadrupling his scoring average.
This. Nobody at the net for the Nasty Griffins. Razzle Dazzle, Razzle Palisok to serve. We gotta give credit to our writers. Creativity nila to.
No joke for Jester naman on the flip side. And again, no net play here for VNS Nasty. And that has cost them in the last 2 points that they have given up. So fast start here for the hard hitters, who have won 3 sets so far and have lost 9 the first 4 games. While on the other end, 3 sets won by Nasty and 12 sets lost so far this conference. But I know for a fact that VNS was hoping that they can contend better for a Final Four spot with the lineup that they have brought in, especially with Wewe Medina on board.
And usually, you know, that's one of the things that Ivy Remulla and I noticed in their last match. You know, usually these boys in the Griffins squad had high energy all the time. Good body language, just being positive, whatever the situation is. But this conference, medyo iba yung ihip ng hangin for them.
Probably naunahan ng mga sunod-sunod na talo. Pero ang bigat din kasi nung nung mga unang nakalaro nila. But one thing that hurt them was that match against Savoj. A match that they could have easily matched up well with. But we reached the first technical timeout with Maverick up by 3 over VNS at 8-5.
Back at the Enares Center in Pasig for your Spiker Surf 2024, Razzle Palisok unfortunately injured his left knee against Air Force. And as we mentioned earlier, he was the only one with double digits in that match. He said he played through the whole game because the team needed a win, which speaks of Razel's character. I asked him if frustration is kicking in, being one of the star players of the Open Conference and yet being part of one of the teams at the bottom. Sabi niya, syempre tao lang, may frustration, but he is here primarily to be of help to his teammates. Sabi ko, anong plano mo during off-season? He actually coaches a high school team in Pangasinan. Service is his algorithm. See, Coach Ronnie?
Wow.
Algorithm.
Yes. It's in his DNA algorithm.
AI ang dating. Ni Mika doon.
Parang robot din kasi maglaro tong si Razel na parang iangat mo lang yung bola and there's a high chance gonna get a point.
Ito naman, and almost always in the teams that he has played for, he has always emerged as one of the top scorers.
Medina with that first ball and he will get the set. Cebrero chooses stand, tips it over. Nobody on the side of the Nasty Griffins.
Kakatalo dito sa depensa. Maliwanag. Not moving quick enough, not getting to their spots. The blockers were there, but the coverage was not. And they have given up 3 points, of course, in terms of attack errors and also easy points because of their defense. Another miss from Wewe Medina puts them in a 5-point hole here in set number 1. Slow start for VNS.
I see some little bit of frustration setting in on Wewe Medina. Of course, the pressure is also on him to deliver a lot.
Totoo. Totoo yan.
Gento. The net catches that one. Another point for the hard hitters.
So this is already a 4-1 run after the score stood at 8-5. Multiple attack errors from Wewe Medina and coming from Adviento as well. Suddenly they're down by 6.
Medina, too easy there for the hard hitters. Palisok from the back. Parang wala naman injury to si Razel.
Kung meron man, kaya na yan ng anti-inflammatory meds. Okay na yan, or painkiller.
Tsaka nakatape yung tuhod niya today. It could be it.
May kinesyo, no? Sa'yo ba gumagana yung ganyang klase?
It's partially, I don't know,
mental.
Placebo.
Placebo. Kasi talagang, before I retired from playing,
hindi pa uso yung gano'n.
meron na, pero hindi na ako kasi hindi ko ma-feel yung elasticity at tension. But of course, it works different ways.
Yes. It depends also on what you need.
Okay, and how you feel about it.
If you need some restriction on movements, it could probably help.
That's it?
If it's placebo for you, it could help. I mean, at this point, at this stage, you know, you'll take whatever helps you.
Kasi iba talaga ang gamit sa shoulders, sa back, no?
We should get a PT on board. Mika, alam mo na. Meanwhile, Medina from that right. Kim Tan, another tip ball. This time, mid-defensa sa Nasty Griffins. Kim Tan will try once again. Denied at the net. Palisok will choose to put it easy over. Adviento. Yes.
Better control here coming from Adviento. That push, beating the defense of Palisok. Once again, Jester Bornell keeps on moving at the middle. May punto siyang isa kanina. Wala pang second touch. 1 out of 2 for Jester Bornell so far.
Good serve there from Medina. Tan from the right and gets the point.
That is the second leading scorer, I believe, for the hard hitters. Under the radar always, but somehow comes up with solid contributions. Kim Tan was 9 of 17 in terms of receptions. Also had 8 points versus Philippine Air Force.
Kulabat. Wow! Look at that!
Iba talaga pumalo si Kulabat pag kumonekta, but they need more from Ken Kulabat after a very slow start. That saw them behind earlier by 6. A single block.
Yeah.
No problem.
Good playmaking there from Imperial.
Yung error count dito ng VNS napakataas talaga. Probably 7 na to.
Bornell with another service error. You got Cabillan to serve. Medina was there. Adviento from the right. Cebrero with the defense. Palisok.
Again,
Once again, off-speed works.
finding that donut. The defense, Leperia, has to work extra hard.
Yeah.
As their floor defense is with porous, to say the least. Down 6 once more. Second technical timeout.
Pizza or pasta?
Pizza.
Burgers or hot dog?
Burger.
Monster Black or Fireball?
Parvol.
Pancake or puto?
Puto.
Down the line or off the block?
Down the line.
City tour or beach vacation?
Beach vacation.
Taylor Swift or Beyonce?
Taylor Swift.
Awesome live sports viewing is guaranteed with Signal yesterday, today, and tomorrow. So switch now and get up to 3 months with no cash out. Simply visit www.signal.tv/switch for more details. Bakit Beyonce or Taylor Swift? Ikaw?
Swifty.
Swifty ka ba, Sir
Yung mga
Rocky?
daughters ko, puro Swifty.
They missed that certain age na ihahatid mo sila sa concert.
Sila lang
Or
pumunta mismo.
nagpapasama ba sila sa'yo?
Sila lang pumunta mismo. Na-miss kong sumama kasi hindi kami sinama eh.
All right, back to the ball game. Another point for the hard hitters, but Palisok just missing that serve.
Right. But they have enough buffer.
Yeah.
They had that 6-point lead once again, reestablishing their biggest lead. Galgana, secondary playmaker. Palisok taking a rest. Trying to close out. BNS, we're still behind by 5 points.
Kulabat preparing to serve. Kim Tan was there. Gagana goes to Justine. Oh,
Net touch.
net touch on number 7. 7 daw, sabi ni second referee, that is Michael Doria. Now, just asked his coaching staff for a challenge. Request
Ang bilis
granted.
tinawag ni second referee Erlindo Eusebio. Patignan natin.
Still finding their groove here, talking about the VNS Nasty Griffins, who actually made it to the semi-final round
Maayos to.
in one of the preseason tournaments in the PNBF Champions League, if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, skills are definitely there, no doubt. But again, it's the chemistry with especially new players in the mix.
That always is a big challenge. You talk about finding ways to play better together.
Probably didn't feel that kasi naka-sleeves. But there was indeed a block or a net infraction.
Tama ka. Kasi may sleeve eh. So the call will be in favor of the hard hitters, and that call will stay. Pero nakadikit.
All right, yeah.
These are multiple cameras
Yes.
all over the court or the playing area.
Good first ball there from the Griffins. Medina, good decision to let that one go.
Off the block point here for VNS. Chasing down a 5-point deficit. Where Medina wanted that last shot. Pero sa kabila, binigay.
Delgana, gustutan. Rejected at the net.
Oh,
Cordes.
nice. Off the pipe. Cordes has been quiet. Scores point number 19 for the white shirts. The hitting rate of Maverick hard hitters is extremely high here. Only a 31% hitting team, good for number 8. So far, probably aided by that last win over Philippine Air Force, wherein they were at 45 of 96, close to 50% accuracy.
Ball chance ball yun, dapat doon nasusundan nyo kung saan pupunta eh. Makita nyo naman yung kamay niya or yung katawan niya kung saan niya dadalhin eh. Ang problema, gusto nyong humabol pero hindi kayo gumagalaw. Ang dami nang dinrap sa atin, ang dami nang... Maglaro tayo ng maayos, guys. Maglaro tayo ng maayos. Kailangan natin maglaro ng maayos. Gusto nyo humabol dyan.
Guys, hello lang tayo. Okay. CBS win. Wala tayo.
Few pieces of advice shared there by head coach Ralph Ocampo. Ito na yung mga pet peeve na the simplest of things cannot be
Overlooked.
Yes.
Yung sinasabi ko kanina, just to echo si Coach Ralph, na hindi masyadong nagalaw ng mabuti.
Oh, wow.
So, opensa, walang problema. Pero paano ka opensa kung patay yung bola? Net touch, again. And the woes are compounded when you're down early and your offense is challenged because you have to string up consecutive points. And now the lead is at its biggest at 2013.
Good pass there from Colabat. Bornel, rejected at the net. Medina. Yes.
Looking at the second setter for VNS in Gilfa Imperial. Helped out Medina score the last point. Very young player itong si Yanko.
We got a double sub back here. Adviento and Imperial.
Tama, 18 years old lang.
Yes. And that has been the vision of the VNS Griffins ever since, you know, finding young talents,
develop young players,
develop them, and then eventually find the right collegiate teams for them to thrive, or club teams.
Parang Santa Rosa City Lions.
Yes. Just stayed with that off the block.
Up 7 earlier. Down to 5 now. Back up to 6. That last point off the block point coming from Honrado against a single block.
It's always good to see, you know, yung mga double sub talagang gumagawa kagad ng puntos when they get
Situational subs, di ba?
Yes, that few minutes of being on the court, making it an effective sub for
But the
their
difficult part,
squads.
is sometimes you are designated as a closer.
Yes.
Correct,
Walang oras para maka-warm up. Pagpasok kailangan patay ka agad, gawa ka agad ng puntos.
Kasi yung timing
That's right,
iba-iba
that's
eh.
right. Yep.
Ito maaga pinasok, minsan late talaga. Medina has been contained well by the blocking of the hard hitters who have been working doubly hard against a formidable opponent, but were down by 7 once again.
Medina with that first ball. Imperial goes to Bornel. Good check on the side of hard hitters. Palisok. Rejected.
By
and
Jesser
pulled.
Bornel had 3 blocks. Last time that this team won against Philippine Air Force. Palisok ambushed by Bornel. The lifeline is still moving here for VNS.
Cebrero chooses Palisok.
Blocked again.
Denied. I mean, if there's one player at in front right now that you need to watch out for, it's going to be Razel Palisok.
Let's see if Cebrero will also be going to a different play in this sequence. Aviento working harder, their net defense in the closing points of set number 1.
We go back to Palisok, this time off speed works.
And a different spot. And Cebrero, excellent variation. Kanina sa opposite, kanina sa open. Ito, may adjustment and it worked for them.
And that donut hole has been the
Has
problem
been there.
for the Nasty Griffins. Imperial choose Labat.
No problem for Kenneth Kulabat. Once again, single block will not carry it out defensively for Ken Kulabat. Kulabat was 5 of 21 against the Navy Sea Lions. Kulabat finished with 6 points versus the Sea Lions in a losing cause.
Got R.A. Lacuanan getting to serve. Oh, short serve. Nice serve. Cebrero goes in the middle but denied at the net. Cordes, double contact.
46 points for Kulabat heading into this match. 46 points in let me double check. In 5 games, under 10 points per game. So 3-point run here for the
Yep.
Griffins.
Cebrero chooses Razel. Uy!
Coming off a 19-point game full of confidence, and Cebrero making sure that Razel Palisok stays hot. Porsyentuhan na, doon na
Yeah,
ibigay sa
yeah.
kayang pumatay.
We're now at set point. Cabillan at the service line.
Nice serve.
Kulabat will get the set.
Wow.
Bomba na naman. Get it, Kulabat.
Bigat down the line, cross court,
Yeah.
and the power that he has. But what I like is the control. Look at the form. Going long and deep. Erases 1 of 5 set points. Tagalog. Some bubble here, some turbulence. Facing the hard hitters in their attempt to close out. They've lost 4 points of that 7-point lead. Timeout muna para sa kanila.
Tapos malalapitin nyo. Ipalo mo, lagi ka nasasalat ng block kasi baon masyado yung pinatakan. Ibabaw ka na, tapos papaluin mo ng diin. Eh di sa kamay, habaan mo ng palo mo na malakas. Guys, isa lang ha. One good pass muna, tapos mag-execute ka ng maayos. Okay tayo. Okay na. Okay tayo. Let's go!
Coach Ramos just wanting to make sure that they will be able to close it out before the points becomes tighter as the set goes deeper.
But still in the ball game here, talking about the VNS Nasty Griffins catching up slowly but
Sakit.
surely.
Calls in.
Linesman called that in. Kaya mapapatawag ng challenge. Coach EJ Ramos was just trying to break the momentum in that last timeout as well. Crucial point there for the VNS Nasty Griffins. But good energy on the side of the coaching staff. Kanina medyo tense, ngayon nakaka-relax na, seeing, you know, they're moving pretty well as we see the challenge on your screens.
Attention is on for the hard hitters. Up at 23-18 earlier. And suddenly this is just a 2-point lead. We'll double check this shortly. So 2 set points saved here.
Still in this match, you got Adviento to serve once again. Kim Tan was there. Cebrero chooses it. Ooh. Cordes ending things here in set number 1.
It really helped that they had that 7-point buffer. Some mistakes late in the set allowed VNS to crawl slowly and took away 5 of the 7-point lead, 5 points of the 7-point deficit. But eventually, that buffer will save the day for the hard hitters, who will finish the first set with this winning margin of 25-22.
Bibitaw ng mahinahon ako pa'y lulubayan ang Kanta ni Arthur Neri. Pagsamo, yun. Guys, walang daya to, di ko nakikita yun. Nang dahan-dahan Pasilyo. Ikaw at ikaw.
Wow, talagang dito natin nakikita yung ibang talento ng ating mga athletes, Coach Ron.
Nantay ko muna yung sasabihin mo. Nantay kita. Ikaw muna.
O, diba? May pasample si Kintan.
Pero ganda nung ano, ganda ng
yes,
boses.
exactly.
Saka nasa tono.
Magaling.
Nasa tono ang laro ng Maverick Hard Hitters, lalong-lalo doon sa umpisa. At mabagal ang simula para sa Venus Griffins. At kahit pumuntos si Well Medina ng pahapyaw, ginamit nila Russell Palisok yun, nila Cortez, and of course, ng kanilang ace setter para makauna. And they were helped by too many errors early on for VNS. Who eventually will wound up with 9 errors. And masakit yun dahil karamihan doon ay attack errors. And in spite of the fact that tumaas yung block points ng VNS, nasa huli na nangyari yun.
Yes.
And by that time, 7 na ang kalamangan ng Maverick Hard Hitters.
A little too late on that catch-up by the VNS Nasi. Let's see.
I will remember those songs.
Correct.
Sung by
Kim
Gan.
Yan na mga...
May falsetto pa eh.
I know. May vibrato din.
May runs.
We got new faces on the floor right now.
That's Racaza.
Got Franz Racaza.
Oo, had the chance to cover Racaza already. Talagang ano, todo.
Yatko. Good serve. Palisok will get this set. Wow, triple block. And that goes out.
And look how far Palisok took that shot. Again, the confidence is up. 19 points scored after only about 16 in the first 3 losses. Suddenly, it's a different player, and they are a different team.
Franz Racaza. Kulabat. Yatko will choose the middle. Good rebound, good reflexes here. Ooh, a little too tight on that one. Ball still in play. Palisok.
Tight.
Medina on the right side.
Of the block?
Yep.
Correct. Block touch. Racaza played 1 set. That 3-set win. Last time that they played, scored 3 points. Where Medina, coming off a 6-point match. That's not going to be enough.
Yep.
So far, Medina with 3 points, make that 4 after scoring the first point here in set number 2.
Palisok, wow, another off the block hit.
Believe it or not, it was not Palisok who led the way scoring for the hard hitters. After set 1, it was Jerome Cortez. will quietly throw this team offensively with 7 hard-earned points. But Palisok is the most guarded player, however.
Yes.
And perhaps that opened the door for Cordes to launch his offense. Cabillan committing that service error.
I mean, chances are the opponent would always do their homeworks, trying to contain their ace hitter. That's
Yun
why, although it seems like he's still very efficient in the little sets that he's getting.
Correct.
Medina chooses to set.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wow. Motol over and above the blockers there.
Did not play against the Navy Sea Lions.
Wow, look at that vertical. So much talent, so much gift over the side of the VNS Nasty Griffins. Palisok.
Nasty talaga yung talon na yun.
Cordes. That was down the line. He gets the point. That was off Motol's block. Palisok to serve. Jump serve. It's good. Yatko goes back to Motol.
Motol is not even in our list.
Even, yeah.
But introducing himself here.
Yes, definitely.
The Spiker's turf.
Oh, nice set there. Pero bantay na bantay sa net. That was Razel Palisok denied.
Top of the defensive game plan, of course, is to contain the scoring explosion of Palisok. And so far, yung blocking dito ng VNS has spilled over from late in the first set to the start of set number 2.
Look at the score now. This time, the Nasty Griffins sustaining that lead. They're up 6-4. Cordes. Kulabat. Yatko will give it back to Kulabat. Inside.
I think in terms of accuracy, it has been Kulabat who is way up there for VNS. Look at this sequence. Good misdirection to delay the blockers.
He will serve, trying to get that corner shot.
Apat the service errors for VNS.
Still in the lead, 2 points up. Chance to side out. Kulabat with that pass. Yatko chooses Medina. Nakaza. Look at that swing.
Tama kung gaano kalakas. Ang lakas talaga pumalo, sobra. Look at the way he's built.
He can also, like, you can already tell by the swing as well that the approach, the speed is there, the power is there.
Attacking the smaller blocker. Scoring over Yatko.
It's Climaco. Oh, rejected at the net. That was Lacuana, and Medina will try again. But rejected once again.
Cabillan working extra hard here after committing that service error earlier. Suddenly we're tied at 7 after being behind by 3. Here in set number 2.
Yatko to Medina once again. This time it goes in.
64 points heading to this game. 19 service aces, 19 spike percentage at 38%. First technical timeout. Lamang ang VNS 8-7.
back at the Henares Arena in Pasig for your Spiker Surf 2024. Now, there isn't much of a chance for VNS to go to the next rounds, but as one of the pioneers of the Spiker Surf, they want to showcase their talents a little bit more before they end the conference. They had an off night against Navy, lost all sets, tried to keep it alive in the third set, but was too late. Medyo nanibago din daw ang mga batang players sa Phil Sports Arena. It was a bigger venue, so they struggled a bit on being overwhelmed. Their quickers generally did not do so well either. The contribution in terms of numbers of everybody would usually be the stats of just one person. But generally, they are number 7 in spiking, number 3 in reserve, number 1 in digging and serving, so not bad for the season. See, Coach Ronnie?
Not bad indeed. Right, because the last game day, that was the first time that Spiker Surf was held in the Phil Sports Arena.
Yes, a very large venue with good-sized crowd that attended. Of course, the marquee match between Chris Cross and the Signal HD Spikers. Tama yung sinabi ni Mika, high rating sa maraming categories eh. Kaya lang, it has not translated into wins. At saka, ang bigat ng mga nakalaban nga nila. Pero ang pinakamasakit na talo rin yung sa Savage talaga. Minsan yung pambuelo na panalo, malaking bagay sa umpisa.
Motol.
And Cabillan on the flip side working hard.
Motol once again.
Cabillan once more.
Oh, good hustle there by De Feria. Oh, miscue there. Racaza, nobody at the net.
What about Cebrero swinging the action from left to right?
Yes.
But Cabillan really, parang wiper eh. Sipag trumabaho. And then the misdirection to free up.
Yes, look at that. Nobody to block there.
Dumalaw ka lang talaga at may mapasabit ka, malaking bagay na.
Racaza to serve. Straight to the net. Libreng puntos para sa Griffins.
2 service errors so far for Racaza, but he's helped out itong Maverick Hard Hitters. Erase an early 3-point advantage ng VNS.
You got Wewe Medina.
I believe he played for Army doon sa PNBF, ano? Doon sa, tama, no? Sa Army naglaro si Wewe. Philippine Army.
Could be because of their fellow Tigers alumni at in the team.
The most difficult part for some players here in the Spiker Surf is moving to different teams because maski gaano kakagaling, it takes time really to gel with your new teammates.
That's right. And in case you missed it, good example is how Mark Espeo was actually missing in action for quite a bit in the match earlier before this. Kasi nga, as much as, you know, he's been playing in Korea, iba pa rin yung sistema na dinatnan niya dito with Coach Tai.
Mas kasi Brian yun din ang binanggit eh. Pati yung bigay ng bola, yung depensa.
Palisok playing setter there to Cordes. Motol. Good coverage.
Oops.
Good ball, playable. Yatko will choose Kulabat. A little slow on that approach. There you go.
They'll challenge this. Net touch.
Do we have a 4-touch challenge?
Wala. Konti lang yan eh. Ito. Wala akong binabasa.
I wonder if that list will ever grow. Because I remember there's one challenge back to a 2-point lead for the VNS Nasty Griffins. Got Mike Doria on the service line. Good pass from Cortez.
Oh, nice.
Oh, wow.
Limaco. Nilapag din ni Mika kanina dun sa report niya, yung mga quickers ng Maverick. O rather ng VNS.
Jump serve from Palisok. Kulabat was there. Yatko.
Ooh.
Back row, but yep.
It's a fault. That's an
Saw that
infraction coming
also.
from Medina. Again,
Yep.
familiarity. Chemistry.
There was a hesitation already there. He
Sa
knew.
approach pa lang eh.
Good first ball. Yatko will choose Motol. Rejected, but ball still alive. It's a double contact violation.
They had 1 kill block in the first set win versus 3 for VNS. VNS on top by 2 points earlier, even at 3 early in the set. Now they are behind by 1.
Palisok. Good first ball. Yatko will choose Lakwanan. Rakaza was there. Cortez. Wow. Solid defense for the Griffins. Kulabat will try but was rejected. Motol.
Again, blocked again. But Motol will score off the block. Take a look at the sequence.
Double substitution for the Griffins. Tied at 13. We got Adviento back in the action.
In Imperial.
Cortez. Palisok. Too low.
2 straight points to erase a 1-point deficit. Ahead by 1 once more. Good recovery here for VNS Griffins.
Balik ang kalamangan sa Griffins. You got Imperial serving. It's been a good serve. Cortez, tip ball. Imperial was there. Adviento chooses an off speed. Cortez. Wow, look at that swing. Catches the line. Puntos para sa Mavericks.
There's no doubt that the level of play of Teferia is much better. But somehow for them to be able to sustain this and come out on top, he has to be a constant in terms of their floor defense. Tied at 14.
Good first dig there from De Feria, but Cortez choosing to switch a little bit of an angle there, getting that last point. But again, a service error. Free point para sa Griffins.
7 errors so far for the hard hitters in this set alone.
Wow.
They just had 6 in that set 1 win.
Tables have turned in terms of errors here. Rakaza off the block.
Big factor, Racaza's offense. But that's 2 of those 7 errors for the hard hitters. But you take the good with the bad because he has produced more positives for the hard hitters. Score against a double block, showing us his power and his vertical as well.
Imperial chooses Medina.
Again, familiarity.
He was going for a different kind of set, maybe expecting a low and fast ball. Miscommunication there. VNS ahead for the second technical timeout.
International po, hinahangaan ko po siya simula po nung nag-start ako mag-volleyball. Si Irving and Gapet po from France. Hindi siya ganun po ka-athletic pero when it comes to vertical, IQ, dun po siya sobrang lakas. Lalo na sa skills niya. Yun. Kumbaga skills-wise po, nandun sa kanya lahat.
Arena Plus, astig sa sports. Idol ko din yan, Irvin and Gapet, who was here in the last two, or
Stagings of
the first
BNL.
one. Yeah, the first BNL that we hosted in Smart Araneta. Coming back here soon.
By June.
Yes. Looking forward to seeing
Pero
all
dati
the
kasi
volleyball
men's
stars.
at women's nung una no?
Yes.
Nung bumalik men's, pero ito men's ulit.
But this time, naabangan ng karamihan Team USA for the first time setting foot in Manila.
Poland is also flying in.
Sorry?
Poland?
Not
No.
quite sure.
So inaabangan yung US-Japan.
USA for
USA,
sure.
Japan.
Yes. But back to the ball game here in Pasig. Cebrero with that serve. Oh, Advento rejected by Rakasa. This time a block point for him.
Rakasa was blocked earlier. It's been a seesaw battle here in set number 2. VNS early lead. Hard hitters ahead after the second technical timeout.
Medina with the first ball. Imperial
that's a quick
chooses
one.
Doria.
Swift. Good play by Imperial. And the Yatco Motol combination comes in.
VNS making sure they always have 3 hitters in front, maximizing the attacking opportunity here. Especially that Motol has been playing quite well.
Yes, off the bench.
Yes.
No problem. What a serve by Yatco.
Perfect timing. And ito din yung sinasabi mo kanina, Coach Ronnie, you know, if that's your role, you know, when you get subbed in, the chances are that is the marching order to score right away.
And he did. 18 years old.
Wow. 18 all. Rakasa with the first ball. He gets that set. Rejected. Another opportunity here.
Tight. Tight.
Yep,
Very
yep,
tight.
yep. Okay, nobody hurt there.
3-point run here for VNS. Last 2 points helped out by Yatco a lot.
Papatawag ng timeout si EJ Ramos. Let's listen in.
Oh, one stop na, pa-end game na tayo. So kailangan mas aggressive tayo, ha? Yes, coach. Ha? So tsagain nyo yan. Oh, yun. Go! Ready, boom!
Also a decorated player during his time, head coach EJ Ramos. Pero ever since, parang nung nakilala ko siya nung high school ako, nagko-coach na rin siya alongside Coach Nes Pamilar.
So really moving along that runway.
Yes, yes. Serving pa rin ang inyong VNS Nasty Griffins. You got Imperial, or Yatco rather. Tan in the middle, rejected.
Down by 2 at 18-16.
Yep.
By a couple at 2018, 4-point run. Yatco stayed at the service line. And that play in the middles worked well for VNS here in set number 2.
Tan, wow, good reflection or rejection there by Motol. Now forcing their opponent to make their own errors. Challenge on the floor. They're asking for a block touch.
Combination of Motol and Yatco has really provided impact points here for the Griffins.
Tsaka parang hindi na naiiba yung tempo, naiiba yung takbo, yung flow ng team, even with the substitutions.
Kasi tibay ng depensa.
Yes.
Some problems earlier with Imperial and Medina in terms of being in sync. Pero ngayon kasi yung punto sila nakukuha nila by playing better defense, scoring on offensive blocks.
No, challenges also are a good time for the coaches to give some insights and directions to their team. Or like on your screens, konting chismisan, talking.
Technical ano yan.
Technical chismis yan, guys.
TC.
Here you go. Block touch. No. Yep. Good challenge though, since we are already at the tail end, as Coach EJ Ramos mentioned during his timeout, that we need to fight harder since it is the end game. At ito na nga, Kim Tan substituted out. Razel Palisok is now inside. Let's see how they can catch up with this change. Yatko, ooh, nice serve. Even better pass. Rakaza.
Finally. And that stops a 5-0 run after being up at 18-16
5-0
and down at 21-18. That was a big run generated by Yatko from the service line. Although may isang puntos na quick itong si Adviento. And let's see if Palisok will be able to save or rescue the hard hitters here in set number 2.
You got Justine Honrado. Good serve. Yatko chooses Medina from the right. Yes.
Cabillan just could not close the two-man wall quick enough. Where Medina finally gets one. Excellent angle taken. 3 points ahead and 3 points away from tying the set count at 1 set apiece.
A more convincing movement here from Medina. Palisok. Once again denied.
Tremendous defense here for VNS.
Yeah.
That has been key in the second set turnaround. Final timeout called by the hard hitters.
Mababawi ka, hindi ka makabawi kanina pa yan. Gamit ka ng gitna mo, tapos tutok mo muna, tapos bato mo sa... Gemma, kumpiyansa lang ha. Sige, kapitan nyo, one good pass muna tayo, then atake tayo.
Yes, coach.
Go, go, go. Sige, very good tayo.
Offense of the hard hitters, which produced 15 attack points and 1 offensive block. Definitely at a lower rate here in set number 2 because of that effort defensively by the Nasa Griffins.
Always making sure there's 2 blockers in front, especially kay Razel Palisok. Cordes denied once again. He'll get another opportunity here. Goes cross court. Yatko, who will he choose? Kulabat with that off speed. Palisok, good deflection. Wow. Single arm defense there. Kulabat goes really sharp. Palisok over and above, gets the point.
I was about to say Deferia really improving his level of play.
Oh yes. Parang tinatayuan lang eh.
Puto. But Palisok able to stay away or help Tartiter stay away from the first set point.
Yatko tumotol.
Iba tumalan tong batang ito. Iba lumipad. Just like that, they're up by 4 set points.
Got set point this time for the VNS Griffins. You got team captain Michael Doria on the line. Ooh. Oh!
Did you see that?
Offensive defense.
Over ball leading to a point coming from Honrado. Serve was excellent.
Yeah.
Reception was that, but nobody reacted.
Set point saved here. Razel Palisok. Yatko to Kulabat. Yes.
Roy Medina is so good with his reception,
Yeah,
really.
yeah.
Solid. He may not be scoring as much, but he helped out defensively. And just like that, we're tied at 1-all.
In Manila. Raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig?
Aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo.
Jopay. Dalhin kita sa aming bahay, di tayo. Okay na yan.
Daming mga sample dito sa Spikers Turf natin. But it's always good to know a little bit more about the players that we see in action here in the Spikers Turf. Going back to set number 2. Tables have turned. Definitely this time the VNS Nasty Griffins taking that win, 25-21. And the main thing here has been the attacking errors from the hard hitters.
From the start.
Yeah.
And what really helped out the Griffins was that they were able to get a better start here compared to the first set. And that helped them out, especially when the hard hitters was able to rally and take that second technical timeout lead at 18-16. And then the turnaround happened when Yatko and Motol were sent back in. VNS had lesser in terms of attack points. Pumalo pa rin pala sa 13 yung attack points ng hard hitters. Pero yung blocking po na yan, hindi lang yung 4 na pumuntos, kundi yung number of attempts na mayroon, yung block attempts that change a lot of shots. But what really hurt the hard hitters, the number of errors that happened against them. And a lot of them came in the first part when they were down, and some of them happened dun sa dulo na kung saan nabura yung kanilang 18-16 na kalamangan.
Let's see how these two teams will respond in set number 3. Mukhang good momentum ang ipinakita ng Griffins here, but no coverage there. Block point, unang puntos para sa hard hitters.
Yatko is not coming off the bench here in this set. He's starting set number 3.
Seems like he has the better connection today, at least.
And Motol.
Yes, definitely. A good first ball. Ooh, Butterfingers. Nabati ulit natin, Coach Romy.
Okay na. Sorry.
Bawi kami. But that was a good play, a running attack to Doria, maximizing how there are only 2 attackers in the front row. Kulabat, good first ball. Yatko.
3 straight points. And so far, ang trend na nakita natin sa first 2 sets, yung maganda yung simula.
Yeah.
As went on to win that set.
That was Yatko on your screens. Maybe he's better off the bench.
Baka.
Some players are like that.
Totoo.
Right? Another opportunity here. They go to Medina. Too sharp on the angle there. Did not cross the net. But a net touch will be requested. A bit of frustration shown by Wewe Medina. Coach Ralph Ocampo making sure he gets a few words across. Trying to loosen themselves up here because, you know, context is they won the last set. So usually they have momentum on their side.
But it has not followed suit.
Yes. 3 straight points. 3-0 early here in set number 3.
Could be 4-0.
Yes.
Ang ganda pa naman nung opening nung set dahil si Wewe yung featured player kanina.
Sumampol din.
Oy, nako.
Here we go. We have the video slow-mo. Call will be in favor of the hard hitters. No block touch there.
Yes. Down 4-0.
4-0. Not a good start. Not the kind of start Coach Ralph Ocampo wants to see at this point.
Nine errors for the hard hitters in that set 2 loss, and yung service errors nila ay tumataas na rin ang bilang.
Yes. That was all from attacks as well. Palisok, arrow system. Kulabat was there. Ooh, a little too tight.
Good save.
Good save from De Feria. Palisok. Kulabat still there with that defense. Medina this time.
That's a net touch.
Yes. You know, that's a good thing to know as well. There's interpretations of what we see in the replay. Although in that last unsuccessful net touch, our technical official shared something to you, Coach Ronnie.
Oo. Yung bola, tumama muna sa net at bumalik. So, nung tumama yung bola sa net, yung net na yun ang tumama dun sa defender.
Not, hindi yung defender touching.
Ang tumama sa net.
Gotcha.
And I'm sure that even our technical officials are also learning from this challenge system.
Definitely.
Which was something new to the landscape dito sa Spikers Turf in the previous conference.
1-point game.
Naka-recover after down at 4-0.
Kulabat. Botol.
Did you hear that, Rocky?
Not even a follow-through. Just a clip of the wrist and he gets that point.
Dato able to recover. Freezing Kabilyan. That's a single block, no problem for Rocky Motol. Sa pangalan pa lang, panlaban na.
What do you mean, Coach?
Rocky Hindi mo na yata inabot.
Uy, pinanood ko lahat yun.
Sa dulo ka na siguro. Dito na sa anak.
Ay, hindi. Oh. Wow. 5-point run.
Yes.
By the Nasty
Like in set 2, but this time it happened early. Forces the hand of Coach EJ Ramos to call a timeout.
Ibabawan mo na. Lagi pang tumatama sa kamay. Habaan mo. Ha? Pumasok ka ng gitna. Bert, pwede to ha. Bert. O kaya, bibi mo. Sige lang, kumpiyansa nawawala. Ang ganda na nasimula, tapos bibitawan nyo agad. Team!
Giving some confidence to his player, especially the setter, Wilbert Cebrero. EJ Ramos saying, you gotta make plays, you gotta stay unpredictable because so far right now, there's always 2 blockers at the net every time
Hindi
someone goes
nabibigyan yung
up to
gitna.
hit.
Kanina pa sinabi sa kanya yun sa set number 2.
Yes. De Feria with that swag and Medina.
6 straight points.
6 straight points.
And in the last 2 sets, Yatko has been in sync with Wewe Medina, better than the Imperial Medina combination.
This is the classic Wewe Medina that we all know. Kulabat. Motol. Yes.
And Rocky Motol has really changed the course of this match for the Griffins.
Yep, off the bench in set number 2.
Yes.
This time, one of the leading or catching up to the leading scorers so far.
Ang laking bagay na tatlo sila ni Kulabat yung binabantayan na pin hitters.
Yes. Ooh, tight out of system set.
Oh my.
Opportunity again to Moto, and he takes it.
Yatko has been peppering the defense of the hard hitters with passes, of course, or sets to Medina and Motol on the opposite end. Down 4-0. 8-point run. Now up at 8-4. Amazing run here para dito sa VNS.
Frustrated na hindi daw talaga siya. You're still watching the Spikers Turf 2024. Sabi ni Wewe Medina, nangyayari naman daw talagang off night, but he was also frustrated na he wasn't able to help in saving a set against Navy. Late second set na daw siya nagising. He said, ito yung masusubok mo talaga, yung patience and frustration mo. But as a coach himself, he cannot show disappointment to his teammates. Kahit gaano daw siya kapagod throughout the day, 9 to 12 in the morning as a coach, 12 to 3 conditioning. Pagdating ng VNS practice by 6 to 9 p.m., kailangan same energy to inspire the younger guys. 10:30 p.m. na nga daw siya nagdi-dinner. Dedication is key, he said. Z Coach Ronnie.
Wewe Medina also part of the coaching staff of one of the teams in the PVL.
Tama,
Lagare din.
Parang?
Ikaw.
Ikaw nagsabi yan. May balik yan. Hindi mo man lang sinabi parang si Mika.
Okay. Parang ikaw, Coach Ronnie. 10 straight points.
Yes. Unheard of. Because this was a match that was so even from the start.
Yes.
But this was the form that I expected really from VNS.
This is the classic VNS form
Itong
that
laro
we
nila.
have been talking about. And their own error ends that 10 big run.
Normally, ganun kalaking run pagtambakan di ba? Pero hindi nangyari sa ganun. But remember the run by VNS happened after that service error by Cebrero earlier.
Let's see if we get that point back right away. Palisok out of system. Yatko was there. De Feria chooses Motol. Three blockers there. Ball still alive.
Tight.
Palisok. Sharp angle. Yatko to Motol once again.
Mapapailing ka na lang sa husay nitong si Motol talaga. And then what follows after another big point?
A celebration.
Ito yung happiness na hinahanap sa kanila.
Exactly. Ito yung VNS na tunay na hinahanap nating matagal na.
Naulila kasi ni Fen.
Oo nga, Penny kasi lumipat.
Nagari din
Nagari din
From
siya.
beach volley to indoor volleyball. And
That's right.
5-point lead remains here for VNS after losing the first set. Pero yung first set na yun, nahabol na rin nila yung Kalamangan. Kinapos lang.
Yes. Too late lang nung humabol sila. Medina from the back.
Again, I'll say this as a matter of fact. He has combined better today with this young playmaker in Yatko. If it's not Wewe Medina, it's Rocky Motol. Medina from the 5. Suddenly, Medina nearing the 10-point mark.
Doria. Ooh, short serve. Almost an ace. Uy, tight. Palisok. Taking advantage on that one.
Alakwanan with that miscue. Palisok has been quiet for quite a time. 6-point score so far. Attack points, so believe it or not.
Oh wow, there you go.
Yun ba yung una? Yun ang una.
Regalo.
Regalo pa.
That regalo was the first point. So bali yung 4 kanina was all the errors from the Griffins.
Si Wewe, saka si Yatko rin, di ba?
Yes,
Galing sa
dalawang
kanila.
double violation.
Yes, and what's happening right now is that Venus is not allowing
Yes.
that room for a run here. Yatko with that zero tempo play.
Nakaipon na ng kumpiyansa itong VNS.
Saka iba na yung pawis. Iba na yung pawis ni Motol at ni
Yatko.
Yatko kanina, di ba, pagpasok at makuha na, hindi pawis eh. Pero dito, tumatagaktak.
Adviento in front now. Out of system. Cordes. Kim will push it easy over there. De Feria. Imperial will choose. Kulabat swinging hard. Griffins just enjoying at this point.
Medina more relaxed.
Yes, exactly. Everybody. Kim Tan will get the set.
Oh, net touch, attack error. Down 8. Nagsimula sa 4-0, kalamangan nila. Suddenly, 10-point run at 10-4. Wow, mahirap bumalik. Nanganak yung errors, ano?
They need to make their own points at this point.
Hindi maka-atake.
Not just to catch up, but also, you know, to gain back the confidence for them at the very least. Rakasa with that first ball.
Too much. Oh, that's
Good
two-hand push.
intention there, though.
Sure point na sana, no?
Sumigaw pa yung teammate niya, paluin mo na. But opting for a smart move there. Just a little too wide for Ken Kulabat. Libreng puntos para sa hard hitters. Rakasa on the service line.
That has been his Achilles heel. And we hit the second tactical timeout. Kanina, 8-4. Ngayon, 16-8.
The postseason of the association is almost here. Watch the 2024 NBA playoffs starting April 20th on NBA TV Philippines, One Sports, and Pilipinas Live. Hashtag everyone's game. Hashtag NBA on Signal.
Playoffs na.
Nung isang araw nga, sabi ko, oh, nandito yung NBA sa Pilipinas Live. Kaso lang papanoorin ko yung PBL.
Walang problema.
But you can always just catch it on replay. It's just there. Kaya download
was
na.
this yesterday? This Creamline.
The day
Cool Smashers versus
before.
the Flying Titans, the day before pa.
We got the King Archer, Noel Campton, in attendance.
National player.
Yes. Hello back to you. A big win against NU in 4 sets.
Interesting talaga yung pool
Yes.
sa men's category para sa parating na hosting for next year. A very big event. Ooh, this is a spiral downwards for the hard hitters. After being ahead at 4-0 since that time, ilan na to? 18 against 4 run. 1 attack point only for them, 12 on the flip side here in the third set.
That's right. 18-4.
1, ano?
First ball needs to be on point.
Free ball
here.
given up.
Opportunity for Medina.
Suddenly a change of pace by Imperial. And Medina acknowledging that effort coming from Imperial. Alam mo, masasabi ko kay Wewe, mabait na teammate. Mabait siya. Maski kanina nag-struggle sila, wala kang makitang hindi maayos na reaction sa kanya.
Right. As much as he is frustrated,
Yes.
he's able to control
Wala.
his facial expression,
yes.
his body language. Good teammate. I agree. Timeout ulit para kay Coach EJ Ramos and the hard hitters.
May name that yun
Gusto
ba?
na natin dapat pinamimigay pa natin. Ilaban nyo, kuha lang kayo ng momentum going to fourth set. Sige, konting angat natin. Angat nyo, angat. Para fourth set, wag natin bigay basta-basta. Ilaban nyo naman. Ilaban nyo, go.
Isang pasa lang.
Dandanin natin.
Coach EJ Ramos always saying, ilaban nyo. This is not what he expected. Turnout of events here in set number 3. Cordes.
Oh my.
Wow, really tense. Each and everybody inside
The
on the hard
aggressiveness
hitters.
has vanished
Yeah.
from the white shirts. Remember in the first set, talagang all cylinders, full throttle offensively, lahat pumapalo. Tinutulungan si Palisok. Si Cordes was the leading scorer for them with 7 points in that first set win. Oh my.
A lot of different kinds of errors we're seeing from the hard
Lahat
hitters.
ng
Yeah.
hindi dapat na mangyari ay nangyayari against them. Up 4-0, down at 21-8, so 21-4 run.
Regalo, but ball still alive. Kulabat.
Pero hindi sila score sa atake, no? Sa ganun.
Yeah. But again, way to capitalize on those kinds of opportunities here. Rabino with that serve, almost an ace. Lacuanan out of system to Bartolome.
New player here for VNS. And again, Cordes with a miss hit. They had nine errors in that set 2 loss. Only 6 in that set 1 win. Later on, we'll check the error count here after this set.
There you go.
Ito ang hinahanap natin kay Cordes. Yung papaluin mo talaga, papatay ng bola. Hindi na basta ibabalik.
You cannot, yeah.
Probably thinking that nothing to lose at this stage.
You cannot afford to be hesitant at this point also.
You think twice in any
Yes.
sport. Most of the time, you're dead, really.
They're just enjoying their time here talking about the Venus Griffins.
Yes, I can see.
Enjoy talaga sila. And this is their usual happy, energized, flowy form. Yatko. Kakaza.
Oh my. I really thought that after being down at 10-4, they will be able to fight back and narrow the gap before VNS reached the second technical timeout, but it did not happen. And right now, they are down by 14 set points after a close call in the first 2 sets.
Set point.
Oops.
So far again, just the errors on the side of the Nasty Griffins. Ang mga puntos nitong hard hitters.
Doon na lahat halos nanggagaling.
Opportunity here. Bartolome. Yes.
Sir, yes, sir. That's all she wrote. Set number 3. Whatever happened, did not happen.
Yep.
For the hard hitters. Well, what a big turnaround here. Imposed by BNS over the hard hitters. Down by a set, winning the last 2 sets. 1 set away from winning their second match this conference.
International po, hinahangaan ko po siya simula po nung nag-start mag-volleyball. Si Irving and Gapet po from France. Hindi siya ganun po ka-athletic pero when it comes to vertical, IQ, dun po siya sobrang lakas. Lalo na sa heels niya. Yun. Kumbaga skills-wise po, nandun sa kanya lahat.
Fun fact, Irvin Ngapeth is also a rapper. Sample. Meron ba tayo? But checking back in, set number 3. What a turn of events. Here, starting out, that set was the Maverick hard hitters with a 4-0 lead. But since then, nag-iba ang ihip ng hangin.
Sobra. Nagsimula sa isang service error coming from Cebrero. Yatko combined with Medina. Rocky Motol once again with his impact points.
Yes.
And Motol has really, again, I'll say this as a matter of fact, Rocky Motol has changed the complexion of this match in favor of the Griffins. With more energy and together with Yatko, suddenly they were a different offensive unit. The defense, in terms of level, has increased 3 notches higher for the Griffins. Ang problema, hindi nakasabay dito yung hard hitters. And look at the disparity in terms of attack points. Suddenly, the offensive arsenal vanished for the hard hitters. And it can't happen dahil sa ngayon, after being ahead by 1 set, sila man ang pilit maghahabol. At pati yung service reception nila, problemado dun sa nakalipas na set.
Maybe the hard hitters did not expect that kind of comeback also, catching them off guard. Nakakababa ng kumpiyansa talaga, and still it's a little bit of a problem here, especially with Razel Palisok MIA for most of that set. Wewe Medina rejected there. Motol. Wow, good defense of the hard hitters. Motol will try again.
Medina to Yatko, or rather Medina, and then to Motol, and then back to Motol. Actually, humihingi pa ng isang bola si Medina sa ano eh. But Yatko swinging the action from left to right. And that is with reason. Motol has almost been unstoppable here. Black touch called?
Yep.
Parang isa-dalawa pa lang ang sablay ni Rocky Motol eh.
Actually. Very high efficiency player.
Yes, and it has also opened the scoring opportunities for Weber Medina.
Yes. Ooh, Doria in the middle.
And he liked that.
zero tempo.
Yes,
Perfect
yes.
execution.
Look at
And again,
Yatko. Look at the quickness of Yatko.
Yeah.
18 years old.
Lahat ng gagaling sa unang pasa.
He has taken over the match. And he has won his matchup with Cebrero.
Palisok. Tan catching that one. Palisok once again. Easy over. Motol was there to pick it up. Oh, miscue. Palisok. Too long. Yes, too
Trying
long.
to score off the block.
It was a little bit under that ball as
Yes, 19-point output last time that they won. So far here tonight, under 10 points. Still solid with 8. Cordes has been leading the way with 12 points, 7 of them in that first set win. On the flip side, Medina with 12. Motol,
well. Ooh,
I believe now with 10.
A lot of players in double digits already. Ooh, good coverage. Not enough direction to make it playable.
Down by 4. Here in set number 4.
Pwede tayo magpa-smile, pwede tayo mag-target ng donut hole. Puro power na, hindi na tayo nakakapag-isip. Paganayin nyo muna yung utak nyo, mag-relax kayo para mas nakakapag-isip tayo. May pasa pero hindi natin ma-convert sa point. Ha? Huwag kayo masyado manggigil, dahan-dahanin nyo lang. Ha? Habaan nyo yung pasensya nyo, kukunin natin to. Apat guys, apat.
Brace yourselves as athletes and sports lovers have no holds barred conversations with no one other than Sean Ildefonso. Watch Sean Time exclusive on Pilipinas Live app. Download and subscribe now. More reasons to download the Pilipinas Live app because daming nangyayari ngayon, Coach Ronnie. Volleyball sa lahat ng division,
Yes.
sa lahat ng
Oh,
levels.
under 18 ng PNBF, di ba?
Yes.
At the Rizal Memorial. So, huwag kayo ng PVL, tawid kayo sa Spikers Turf, tapos pasyal kayo sa Rizal Memorial.
Mas may UAAP pa.
Oo nga pala, sa MOA at Araneta. Malapit na Final Four.
Yes, it's the crucial moment for the UAAP right now.
Buo
But
na sa women's eh. Buo na rin ba sa men's?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Sa women's, okay na,
So
no?
women's, there's 4
Apat na.
sure teams, but a lot of movements dahil sa players missing in action as well in the women's.
Pero yung pagkakatabla nila, eh, dikit-dikit, sobra.
Yes. People are saying there might be a triple tie.
Yes, yes. Good development here. Was that in?
Yep, linesman called that in. Doria, successful once again. Catching up with points as well. Good target. Tan, double block. Wow, Alfaro was there.
And Lakwanan. Smart. 10 for Kulabat. 10 for Motol. Medina with 12. Probably 1 point or so better mula sa aking mga binanggit. And with 3 players scoring in double figures, chances are this team is playing really well. Remember that nobody scored in double figures for them in that 3-set loss that they suffered in their last match laban sa Navy Sea Lions.
Bornel as the middle blocker getting the most points of that.
And we haven't seen Bornel for quite a while in this match after seeing action in the initial set. 8-2, 6-point lead. BNS looking really good against the hard hitters.
You're still watching the Spikers Turf 2024. Work in progress pa daw ang hard hitters, sabi ni Coach EJ Ramos, obviously. But one thing he likes about his boys is the resiliency. Makikita mo daw na seryoso sa conditioning dahil nakakasabay sila kahit papano. Slowly nagme-mirror na daw ang mga ginagawa nila sa practice. But besides his main guys like Razel, Kim, and Jerome Cortez, he would like to push Wilbert Cebrero, their setter, to be more confident in decision-making, and also yung libero niya na si Rick Alfaro. These guys could eventually be of big help to the infusion of his system. Z, Coach Ronnie?
Agree. But then it takes time. And right now, they don't have the element of time given the situation that they are in. Actually, both teams. Because these two teams are outside looking in. Only 4 teams will make it to the semifinals, and then we get to the semis. One round robin pa yun. Ang hirap makapasok sa finals.
Ooh, look at that shift mid-air.
Anywhere he strikes, he scores. Probably at about 60% today, or even higher.
Look at that height.
Saka ano eh. May blockers naman eh. Hindi naman nalilibre halos eh.
Tsaka kahit anong forma ng katawan niya sa taas.
Ibang
Same
flexibility,
power.
yes.
Kulabat.
Again, hindi na kulabat mo to. That's the three-wheel offense for them. Kasi nung una, puro kay Medina, bantayado. Ilang beses na check. Pero with Motol exploding, suddenly, Kulabat also has been able to score heavily. Down 7, another timeout here for Coach Ramos.
Kasi ganun din ginagawa mo eh, kaya yan lalabas din sa laro natin. Tapangan nyo na dito. Huwag kayo matakot, marunong naman kayo umilag. Marunong naman kayo sumangga dito sa taas, di ba? Ginagawa naman natin yun, ginagawa natin deals naman. Huwag kayong masyado doon. Doon muna kayo sa tamang patoy para mas madami tayong makuha ang bola. One good pass advantage tayo, nasa harap na yung setter nila, pero hindi tayo makapoint. Go, kuha. Go. Pass.
Coach EJ Ramos saying you gotta be a little bit more creative with passing, with defense. And you know, in volleyball, you can just use any part of your body.
Right. At this stage of the match, it's not just technical correction. It's really more on the mental aspect of the game for them after the third set slide. That saw them give up 10 straight points after being ahead by 4-0.
Good pass from Rakaza. He will get the set and the kill.
Good play run here by Cebrero.
Textbook play.
After timeout, they score. Line shot. Scoring against Imperial for point number 4.
Jump serve. Ooh, almost an ace. Imperial chooses Kulabat. Off speed. But that one touches the floor. Good effort on the side of the hard hitters. Are they gonna call a challenge? Oh.
Kita ni Coach eh. Siya na mismo nagsasabi. Tumama sa kuko pero tumama rin sa sahig. 7-point lead, a commanding lead.
Yes. Cordes.
Finally for Cordes. Team best over 10 points. But he needs a lot of help. And out of those over 10 points, 7 of them came in the first set.
But look at the Feria. Despite missing that big, still all smiles on the floor.
Nag-iba yung kilos niya ng husto eh. No? Laki ng in-improve talaga.
Lacuana.
Sa miss. Tried to swipe that ball.
It was too low for him. I mean, he has the lead. Definitely got up high there. So he needs a high set as well, as much as it was a quick set.
A rare 2-point run here for the hard hitters.
Still a steep hill to climb for them. 11-6.
Confidence level is really gone down for a team that was so good in set number 1. Parang yung habol ng VNS, parang nagtuloy-tuloy yung kumpiyansa, no?
Yes.
From the first set, maski na hindi sila nakalusot.
Yeah. Actually, no second set nga, Coach Ronnie, remember, palitan pa sila ng kalamangan. 2 points up, and then magsiswing sa kabila, 2 points up. But VNS at the end, managing to hold on to that lead. Alfaro with that coverage. Justine from the back. Alfaro chooses to pick that one.
That was out.
Cordes, yes.
Point not to be denied. Good rally. When we haven't said that in the last 2 sets. That's a rare rally that we have seen. Point number 7. VNS has to respond.
Kulabat, good first ball. Imperial chooses Adviento. Tip. Alfaro was there. Ooh, oversets. Adviento just a force at the net.
I was about to say Alfaro has really solidified the floor defense of the hard hitters. That's why there have been a series of rallies here. But the kryptonite of the hard hitters are back. Yatco and Motol.
Rocky Motol. Yatco back in the game. Ooh.
Yeah, just writing their own story here in this match.
Yes.
Yatco, Motol, Motol, Yatco. Just like that, back to a 7-point lead. Magulang din maglaro itong batang ito.
Grabe, look at that. Shaky first ball for the hard hitters. Opportunity for Medina. De Ferrios there. Medina once again.
Good
too
coverage,
easy.
right.
Ooh, nice jump set from Alfaro to Cordes.
Alfaro's really played well in that short floor time.
Yep.
Nako-cover niya talaga yung action at nakaka-atake sila sa transition.
Good first ball, Yatco to Medina. From the right this time.
Finding a way to score against Racasa that was close to the net.
Again, that is the sign of a good outside hitter. Being able to adjust to whatever kind of set.
Saka yung experience kicking in.
Good first ball. Honrado overcooking that one.
Look at the scoreline, doubling up on that 8-point output. VNS still ahead by 8 here, 4th set.
We're back here in the Inares Sports Arena in Pasig City for another doubleheader here at the 2024 Spikers Turf Open Conference, a match between the Mavericks and the VNS Griffins. 4th set here, humahabol ang hard hitters, but so far momentum is on the side of the Griffins. Rakaza. Good check.
A solid
coverage.
defense. Solid defense.
Yes. Motol. Kulabat.
Oh, with flair. Kulabat, Medina, and Motol.
Yes.
That's a three-headed dragon on offense for the Black Shirts.
Yes.
All scoring in double figures. And it has made it difficult for the defensively of the hard hitters to keep in step. Masyado mabigat. Pag pumunto siya, tatlong yan na sabay-sabay. And Motol has come out of nowhere, off the bench today with over 10 points.
I mean, also, you know, for them to be in front at the same time.
Sabay-sabay.
Ang hirap blockin siguro nun. Kung ako yung blocker, malilito ako kung sinong babantayan ko. Cordes, a more confident swing there from the back row. Motol.
Magaling tong batang to talaga. Yan ang hindi namimili ng bola. And Medina also liking that last sequence. Yung sinasabi natin good teammate eh.
Yes.
Keeping the faith, putting trust. Then somebody was rarely played but has come out here today. The game changer
Definitely.
for Coach Ralph Ocampo. Suddenly they're up by 10.
Jump serve. Conrado.
Off the block. Good first ball here for the white shirts.
It needs to be simple now for the hard hitters so far. Pag maganda yung unang bola, chances are they get to create plays and get points. Doria.
More weapons to work with, Yatko. And Rosili with this magic, showing us a lot of promise. As the secondary playmaker was taken over as the primary setter after playing so well. Saka nung na-relax na siya, lalo siyang gumaling.
At pinagaling pa niya yung mga teammates
Sobra.
niya.
Lumabas yung laro talaga ni Wewe.
Correct. Doria with that serve. Good pass. Conrado, wow.
The power is there. Yes,
yeah.
the power and the speed, but the control. Are they going to challenge? Yes, they will. Manalo ang VNS, they go up to 2 and 4. Hard hitters will slide to 1 and 4. Manalong hard hitters, they will go up to 2 and 3. VNS Nasty will be closer to extinction at 1 and 5. There's a nice 5-way chase for the top 4 spots.
Oh, yes.
And the Navy Sea Lions really also playing extremely well under coach George Pasqua, who took the King Crunchers to 4 tough sets earlier. Iloilo naman inatak ang Signal sa 5 sets.
Grabe din yun.
So interesting when they get to the semifinals.
Yes.
Savoj trying to catch yung 4th spot if they can. If they still can. Kasi pasok na rin sigurado ang Signal.
I think they're the first team with a ticket to the semifinals.
Iloilo, of course, and the Navy Sea Lions are looking good.
Bartolome with that first ball. Lacuanan. Ooh. Good dive there for Honrado.
First point for Lacuanan, who has also been working hard. And is blocking with this misdirection.
And look at that height that he has on his vertical earlier from the challenge, the block challenge.
Saka mabilis.
Probably Moto's first error ever.
In this match.
Yes. And from the service line at that, got Rakaza.
Side out is going to be disastrous for the hard hitters, given this disparity in 4th set scoring. The first 2 sets were very tight. Last 2 sets, one-sided in favor of the Griffins.
Bartolome. This time, that goes in.
Everybody came off the bench. He has helped out Coach Ralph Ocampo tonight.
Good set of players here stepping up. And you mentioned this kind of situation, you know, King Crunchers earlier, Pemi Bagalay, the playmaker, the X factor for their match. It's really who's gonna step up into that role na pang substitution talaga and gagawa kaagad.
Yung impact plays, di ba?
Yes. Bartolome with that first ball. Yatko chooses to push it over onto Cordes. De Feria was there with a...
Right there.
Cordes once again. Bartolome
go for broke
this
na si
time.
Cordes dito.
Wewe. Out of system. Ooh, there you go. Kabilyan.
Sprinkle of points coming from the middle also for the hard hitters. We're down by 10 here in set number 4.
Still a 10-point lead for the Griffins. Medina. Wow, even his tips have been working this time around.
Ganda ng bigay. 11 match points. Equivalent to 11 set points equivalent to 11 match points for their second win.
Nahuanan, jump serve. That's in. Alfaro with a perfect pass. Cabillan.
Still has some fight in them. Good sign for Coach Ramos. His players not giving up.
Yatko over on 2. Jungle ball, Cordes. Top spin. Joss at the net. Yatko with the running. Tudoria.
They save another match point.
3-0 run for the hard hitters.
Masyadong lumolobo yung lamang ng maaga. No?
Yes. Cannot afford to have that early in the sets. Chance to side out here. Yatko chooses Doria. Deflected at the net. Alfaro. Look at that. The Feria was there. But Yatko wants to go home now.
Alfaro tried to beat the floor defense, but Yatko returned the favor. Scoring and celebrating.
Yes.
Saya-saya ng bata.
A taste of your own medicine daw.
Sabi ko sa'yo, magulang maglaro eh. Ayun.
Sa bunutan pa. But that's it, you guys. 4-set finish. The VNS Nasty Griffins winning over the Maverick Hard Hitters. We'll be back to wrap this up. Don't go away.
Ayon nga dun sa ating pinag-usapan kanina, as we take a look at the numbers after this 4-set win, hard hitters will slide down to 1-4. One rung lower as VNS Nasty will take over their spot in the leaderboard and climb to 2-4. Nothing was easy for VNS in this match, especially after the hard hitters came out strongly and won that close per set at 25-22. Pero nakabalik.
Yes.
Dahil dun sa habol, down 18-16, suddenly up at 21-18, and there was no stopping VNS from producing that 9-3 run dun sa second set. And eventually, that's it spilled over to the third set after being behind early at 4-0 with a 10-0 run to be on top at 10-4. But in the fourth set, they were not to be stopped anymore as Rocky Motol, Yatko, Ray Medina, and Pulaba took over para dito sa team ng VNS Griffins.
Right, let's head it over to Mika, who is sitting beside our best player of the game. Mika?
Maraming salamat. Kasama ko nga ngayon ang best player of this match na si Rocky Roy Motol na kinakabahan sa interview pero hindi kinabahan sa court kanina. Rocky, first day mo agad-agad pinasaya mo sila, coach. Naging game changer ka talaga para sa match na to.
Opo. Napasaya ko yung buong nanonood dito and kakapasok ko lang dito ngayong first time ko po to. Tapos, galing pa ako Beach Valley. Silver po ako sa BBR. Yes. And
Alright, kumusta naman yung naging experience mo lalo na kasama mo yung mga veterano dito ngayon?
madami po ako natutunan sa kanila. Lalo na sa mga ka-teammate ko po, lalo na si Kuya Wewe at yung mga senior ko po dito sa benches. Binabati ko sila Tita Melody na dito ngayon, sila Dad Noel, sila Justin, sila Ate Abby, sila Toby, sila Blue, tsaka Gami, at sila Mama, Papa, hello. Ang mga teammate ko din, yan ako Coach Arnold na pinayagan ako ngayon. Thank you po.
Alright, as a very happy person, itong si Rocky Roy Motol. Balik sa inyo, Z, Coach Ronnie.
Pinakamalaking bagay doon, pinayagan ni Coach Arnold.
Arnold Danyo.
Yes, yes.
Para sigurado para sa team ng CSB. Tama, no? Blazers.
But what a game changer, Rocky Motor.
First game.
First game ever with the VNS
Kasi
Griffins.
nahanap natin siya sa list natin.
Correct.
But it's not about the number of games that you have played.
Yes.
It's the quality of impact that you produce. And definitely, he was the biggest X factor tonight for Coach Ralph Ocampo.
But back in set number 4, hindi na nakabalik ng kumpiyansa itong
Wala.
hard hitters because, I mean, even if they lost the first set, talking about the Nasty Griffins, the momentum was there at the tail end na na-carry
Meron.
over nila at the rest of the game.
Although they were down at 4-0 early on
Yes.
because of errors by Yatko and Medina. And I thought that masterful move by Coach Ralph Ocampo to start out Yatko. Change the complexion of the match. Eventually, nag-settle lang si Wewe.
Yes.
At yun na nag-open na para kay Motol, of course, at kay Kulaban. And it was difficult for the defense of the hard hitters to be able to shut down those three big scorers for the Nasty Griffins. Really nasty pag pumalo si Medina, si Kulaban, at si Rocky Roy Motol na pinayagan ni Coach Arnold.
Maraming salamat, Coach Arnold. But going back, you got on your screens the schedule on the game day Sunday. Still here at the Inara Sports Arena in Pasig. 4 p.m. we got the Maverick Hard Hitters versus the Saboge. And of course, one of the sought-after games as well, 6 p.m. Crisscross King Crunchers versus the Philippine Air Force. Thank you so much for joining us. In behalf of Mika Abisamis, Coach Ronnie Magsano, I am Z Irvasio. See you again soon on the next game day of the Spikers Turf 2024 Open Conference.